Hi friends, it's me, Journey. Today we're learning something super important, how to make good choices. At recess, my friend Ari and I were so excited to play. This sign says, "Do not enter."
Arya, come on! We're searching for mystery rocks!
Journey, they want me to come too, but I'm not sure.
It's okay to say no. Remember when a kid fell in one of the potholes over there last year and broke his arm? That's why they put the sign there. A good choice is one that keeps you safe, kind, and proud of yourself.
But what if they stop being my friends?
Real friends don't ask you to do things that feel wrong.
When the choice is hard to make, take a breath for your own sake. Choose the path that feels just right, 'cause good choices shine so bright. I can choose what's good for me. I can be the best I can be. Good choices, I know what to do. Good choices, I'll make the right one too. I said no, and it felt good.
See, you made a great choice. Friends, a good choice is one that is safe, kind, and helps you feel proud of yourself. Let's practice together. If someone asks you to do something wrong, what can you say? That's right. You can say no thank you and walk away. You are brave, you are smart, and you can always make good choices, just like Arya did today. See you next time on Learning with Journey. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Randall's Reading Island for more amazing adventures.